Okay. Oh, it's the same pipe. Oh, oh, sorry. I think it is in detail list. So current element. I do catwalk or what? Okay, sorry. See. Okay. So the only issue is it shows a dotted line over here, and this dotted line is nothing but it is just a representation of like depth. Since it is a surface connection, it shows uh, it is not showing any dimension. But if there was some 7 mm or 8 mm insertion, so it would have showed some dimension over here. So what customer does not like is why this is showing this dotted line. And I understand, yeah, even if it is a surface connection, it should not show. But it is meant for showing any like penetration inside the main header, or so that's why it shows. Oh, we select insertion depth? Was it surface? Oh, okay, I think yeah, I made this insertion, so that's why it is showing this dotted line, and then rest of the dimension are pretty fine. You, if you want, you can show a detail plot. You can enable the detail plot to be shown around this. That is when you are making it for like orifice flanges, something like that, any geometry. So the detail around that pipe. But when you make around orifice flange, the view is little bit, little disturbed. So let me try that. Let me put this as my component. Let me deselect this one. Orifice, this one. So I made this as orifice component with the compatible. Okay. Go to the gasket. Sorry. Connect the gasket again to previous component. Okay. Then select flange. Select orifice. Okay. And go to connect to previous tail, and then maybe you can put some offset towards down. Sorry, minus. Okay. Actually, the orientation is. Let's rotate this actually. Okay, or let me put. Should I rotate it? Rotate, rotate. Sorry, not this. So this first rotate as option is available for structure only. So it will not select. So this is graphical rotate. So this will not select. Actually, this will not work even if it select. Let me select a base point. Second, let me select this plane. Problem is it does not select the whole pipe. Right click 3D view, select. If I keep it selected, rotate, select the base point. Okay, good, it is working. Okay, Uh, so there are two ways to rotate. One is rotate and rotate advance. This one, this will be applicable for all components, all disciplines. So it is very similar to copy rotation. Uh, what we have to do is we have to select a point of rotation and plane of rotation. So plane of rotation is this one, or I can say north south up down plane, right? And the point it should rotate about, I want to rotate it in and make it horizontal. So the point of rotation should be this P point. So you should know the coordinate of this P point. So cursor, you can select design point and you can click and hold, and the point is selected. The coordinates are updated over here. Plane would be east-west plane because the flat will lie on the north-south up-down plane. So you have to select a direction of east. I want to rotate it about 180 degree. Apply. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, 90. So 0 to 90 is one anti-clockwise. So 90 will be positive 90, right? Okay. So my pipe is now horizontal. Now let's 1 second. Let me check QH direction and QT direction. So see, okay, 1 second. That direction is north. Yes, right. Okay, so I want to make some tapping around here. It's not so great, but let me explain. From piping, non-standard branch connection. So as usual, you have to select the main branch first. Select main branch. So it will update the piping and wall thickness and all. I want to create a new branch, right? And pick connection. So you have to first pick connection, pick surface to locate the initial position, right? So this is my, you have to pick somewhere near the center. So see, it creates a tapping V2, and you can adjust the position. So this opens a plane, right? And current, so here angle is displayed. So you can nudge, right? So there are two direction along. See, and then around. What will be the angle? So red one is the changed path, right? So currently the angle, you can say, you can type it here also, 45. And if it looks fine for you, click on OK, right? And then as usual, you can select what type of connection it is, say surface connection, depth is 0, any note, say you can say 45-degree tap, you can select the bore, so 15 is enough. Okay, then you can go ahead and place the components whatever you like. All the component, 180.